One of the examples we have here is actually, if you notice, is I ask Copilot. So create a table of my recent emails about. So I'll click on this. Okay. Create a table of my recent mails about Project Max. Okay. I have several mails that I sent today, and I want to show you what it will show you. So it's running now, and we'll wait until it creates the table. You see it's creating the titles, if it's the subject, and other things. And eventually we will see a full table where we see actually all of the mails that here we see 3 mails. We see the subject, and we can see more things. We can also add it. And now you can see that we have the subject, the snippet. In different cases, I also it exported the date that it was created and also from whom it was sent. So this is a cool example. I recommend that you test it. And yeah, hopefully I will come up with additional things that you can test. Let me know in the comments what you think, and see you. Goodbye.